Yo, what up people, it's MotBanx. We're going carp fishing today, Caerphilly Castle. Let's fucking go. It is late September, the sun is shining, temperature has dropped over the last couple of weeks massively. Well, the van is saying 9 degrees right now. I've just dropped my boy to school, so by the time I get down here, it'll probably be about 10 o'clock. And I gotta leave by 2 as well, because I gotta go pick him up. So I've literally got like, less than 4 hours fishing, but I guess plenty of time to get a carp. Yeah, sun is shining, what more can I say? Fairly shallow, the weed's just been cut from it as well. It should be nice and clear, should be able to find the carp, get on him, get the rods out, and yeah, hopefully catch a quick carp for y'all. Let's go. Cheeky fucking pit stop, mate. Cheeky Mackey's breakfast, and they'll keep me going, should last me the fishing duration. We're here. It's fucking beautiful. I seen one show out in the middle not long ago. I just done a little walk along this wall and I've seen one fish swimming out from here. But to be honest, I think I know where I want to be. I want to be far over on the bank over there, fish along that tree line. It's like a cut there where it goes through to the other part of the lake. And yeah, you always see the fish in there, so I think I'm going to get my stuff and get round there, I think. Fucking go, mate. See if we can see this fish. I didn't waste any time getting the rods out. I came up on the high bank where you can look down into the cut. Obviously seen a lot of fish, so yeah, I didn't mess around because obviously I didn't have long, so I just got the rods out quick, and yeah, didn't take long before I got the first bite. Rods weren't even out 5 minutes. Fucking mad. Beautiful, stiff hinge doing the business. Over in the margin over there. Fucking lush. First fish of the session. Literally rod weren't even out 5 minutes. Seen some fish in the cut over there. Put a rod on it. Scattered a few boilies about the area, and that's all she fucking wrote. Yeah, nice dark home, and this one's been through, well, it's got a story to tell, put it that way. The tail's a bit fucked, and on the opposite side, I will show you, she is missing one of her peg, well, missing a peg fin. Just tensing up. But yeah, nice carp nonetheless. Gonna get her back in. Hopefully we can get another one. Happy days. Right, I just put a rod just off the edge there. You can see my blue thing there, but that's come from far right over there. There's a fish going over there now, look. Right over the spot. Tight, quite tight in there to the bush. I've seen fish swimming in and out here constantly. That's where I had the fish from as well originally, the first fish. I did just see a chunk swimming across. Tight, oh look, there's one swimming there now. Been coming in and out that bush, going up along the tree line. Come on, it's another fish to be up there, come on. So I just moved my rods from the left over there, where I got that fish from. Because the swans are hammering me, I've put it in that far corner over there. I've seen a fish bosh close to the margin, far margin. And I've put some boilie out to the dot spot. So yeah, fingers crossed. Cheeky beep. The swans are making their way over there now, so yeah, happy days like. I ended up putting the left hand rod back over on that left margin. and I reeled the right one in, and what you can see now is me casting that over to the lawn, which I originally moved the left hand rod to. And yeah, not long after, in the same video, I had a bite, which you'll see next. Can't give it an edge for best. No. The annoying thing about this, I got that left rod, so they put it back out on the spot, and literally I had the rod still in my hand and the other rod ripped off. I thought I caught it all on video, like, but I had to, well, my phone was leaned up against my hook sharpener, and before I put this rod back out, I had to sharpen the hook a bit, and I must have stopped the video by accident. Yeah, I put the phone back up. I thought I had both bites on camera, but unfortunately I didn't. But yeah, double take still. 2 fish in the net, like, well, 2 nets, but happy days, bangers too. Oh, one there, as I literally just put that rod back out, the other one screamed off, better fish there. I didn't even have time to put that back on the rod's wrist. It was literally there when I was playing. I thought I had it all on video, but my phone obviously had other ideas. But yeah, come on, let's go, get the other rod back out, we gotta pack up soon. Beautiful brace of carp on. Look at the colours. Absolutely stunning. Time to pack up. Not a bad session, 3 fish in 3 hours, well just over 3 hours. Can't fault it. See you next time.